Yeah, I remember how we used to get it in late night making love and
Greetings, YouTube. Align and respect at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in the Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Today is indeed Wednesday, December the 9th, 2020. And YouTube, it's been approximately 30 days since we brought you guys our last video update on our bronze Muscadine grapevine seedlings that we were trellising in our last video update back on November the 13th of this year, YouTube. A lot has changed. Again, it's been roughly 30 days, YouTube, and our bronze Muscadine grapevine seedlings have really taken off during the past 30 days. Before I show you guys what they currently look like, YouTube, I'm going to give you guys a quick flashback to what they looked like during our last video update. Take a look at this, YouTube. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what they're currently looking like today, Wednesday, December the 9th, 2020. Roughly 30 days since our last video update. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see how much, YouTube, how much indeed our bronze Muscadine grapevines have grown in approximately the past 30 days since our last video update, in which we were actually trellising these Muscadine grapevines seedlings at that time, YouTube. As you can see, YouTube, they are every bit of about the tallest one is every bit of about 18 inches tall at this time, YouTube. They're a pretty deep green, as you can see, and they are indeed looking quite well here at Little Creek Homestead in our high tunnel greenhouse here, YouTube. We come out here about every other day and check on our greenhouse, roughly every other day we have to come out here and wrap these vines further around these strings, as you guys see me doing here, YouTube. They're really growing at a fantastic rate, and we're super excited to see how well they're currently growing for us here in our 20-foot by 10-foot by 7-foot high tunnel greenhouse, YouTube. Again, our bronze Muscadine grapevines, they are indeed looking well. Thanks for watching, and if indeed you currently are watching this video on growing bronze Muscadine grapevines during the fall and winter months, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing bronze Muscadine grapevines in our high tunnel greenhouse during the fall and winter months. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Yeah, I remember how we used to get it in late night making love and putting Jove in the wind. I remember looking deep into your eyes with my lips kissing yours. I was stroking your thighs. I remember talking on the phone for hours and writing love poems for you while I was standing in the shower. I remember thinking, could it really be that somebody like you could fall in love with me? I remember holding hands, taller than the sun, a lion and his queen, a lady lion and her man. Yeah, I remember talking about the future with your steady smile and all the while that we were making future plans. I remember people hating around the world because I chose you as my girl. Them haters just don't understand. Yeah, I remember you and I laughing at them, watching haters getting madder, but we still don't give a damn.